Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Nextdoor app for business. First, claim or create a free Nextdoor business page via nextdoor.com/create-business or your app account settings and verify with your business details, name, category, location, logo, hours. Then optimize your profile by adding high-quality photos, your story, services, contact info, website, licensing, and promotional offers to build neighborhood trust. Next, use unlimited free business posts, events, polls, and video content to engage local users like announcing events, sharing updates, asking questions, and showing testimonials. Encourage customer recommendations as satisfied neighborhoods to leave reviews, unlock badges like neighborhood favorite, and boost credibility. Then run target paid ads or local deals to reach neighborhoods within set radius 2 to 10 miles, targeting by demographics, income, or interest to promote offers or travel messages or site visits. Finally, monitor analytics and engage actively. Respond to comments or messages, track performance, refine content frequency, aim for 3 posts per week, and avoid over posts that may feel spammy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.